Hi, today we're going to be doing session 2 called From Observations to Ideas. It says, today I want to teach you that once you meet a new character, you need to think about what the character says and does and think, what does this tell me about the character? So today what we're going to be doing is taking the work we did yesterday and using it to grow some ideas about our character. So yesterday what we were doing is we were getting to know the BFG a little bit better. We were getting to know how they talk, how he talks, and how he acts, and writing some words that describe him. And I said that these words are called character traits, and we've talked about these words in the past. So, what we're going to be doing today is today you listen to some chapters and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be listing some character traits of the BFG, and then you're going to be writing down some evidence from the text. So you're going to be writing down what happened in the story that helped you to know that the BFG is that way. So if you're telling me that he's mean, you would write, and we know he's not mean, but if you were thinking that he's mean, that's the trait. That's the word that's describing him. So you would write mean here in the character trait box. And then over here, you would write evidence from the text. How do you know he's mean? So you would say, in the story, the BFG, dot, 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 and then you would tell me what he did that was so mean. Okay. So what you're doing over on this side is you're writing the trait. And then on this side, you're going to support that trait, back it up with some evidence from the text. So remember, you guys have the text from the story and you have me reading that text to you. Okay. So I'm going to delete this, but that's how you're going to do it. You're going to click in this box and you type the words. Over here, you have a giant list of character traits, okay, that will help you if you're not able to think of these words on your own. So here are some really good descriptive words. So embarrassed, excited, brave, grouchy, honest, hopeful, jealous, curious, dishonest. Okay, so here's a big word list to help you. And your object for today is to fill out this box. Okay. So, what you're going to do is first you should have listened to, let's see where I'm going here. Okay. So, remember it says due on Tuesday. So, you listened along or you read. So, the text is always here, just if you want to do it as a read it independently. This is the video of me reading it. So you see the text here, and then you have me reading along. Okay. My video that you're watching right now will be posted here. So this is me teaching the lesson. This is the lesson that I'm talking about. Here's everything you need to do the lesson. And the work that you need to do is to fill out this page right here. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing the character traits here, and I want you to list the traits, and you have a choice to use the ones that you did on here, okay? So the ones that you did here, if you wrote like tall, well, how do you know that he's tall? Well, you saw it in a picture. That's not really a good one. So if you used a bunch of descriptive words here that just told what he looks like, let's not use those, okay? Let's use ones that tell more about his personality, okay? More descriptive words about how he acts, less about how he looks, okay? You can do how he speaks, right? We talked about how he uses incorrect grammar. So you can give an example of that from the text. That would be a good one. You can use quotations and pull a piece directly out of the text about how he uses, a sentence right out of the text of him using, how he calls humans human beings, right? Instead of beings, right? So that's the silly one. So you can use some of the words you used here, or you can, use words from the list right here to help you. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to do at least 5, okay? So I want you to do at least 5 character traits here. And then for each character trait that you do, I want you to have evidence from the text, okay? So 5 traits here and 5 pieces of evidence that match, okay? And remember, every time you see this stop sign, that's how you know that you stop for the day. So this is all that you need to do for today, okay? Is fill out this page and then you are done for the day. And then you can do some independent reading, okay? And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can send me a message on Schoology. All right. Okay. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.